Hey everyone, welcome to my channel, The Stock Analyst. A very exciting video because in my last video, Friday night, I said that I will make an entire video on GGPI. So here is the video because I'm very excited regarding the ticker symbol GGPI. If you look at the chart, on Friday, it was up by 15.8%. Even after hour, it is over by 12.7%. In total, more than 28%. So very exciting. And I think Monday this thing will run next week as well. So in this particular video, I'll talk about the support, resistance, what is GGPI, what is the merger, and with what company. At the same time, some warrant, call option activity, and few other things. And if you find this video useful, at the same time, if you want this channel to be live on YouTube platform, please hit the like button. At the same time, subscribe to my channel so that you get more videos on this kind of thing so that we can all make some money. And before I jump to GGPI, I have a lot of things. You can see a lot of tab here. I want to talk super excited. But before that, if you like trading, day trading or swing trading, then just want to show you something that SNDL was last Friday. They came up with a nice PR. All my Discord members, they knew about this particular stock. And also in the morning, I shared some support resistance pre-market. Whoever missed the train, I said get in at 81. Whoever entered at 0.81, they are up by 15%. Another one is PTB. We talked about getting in around 2.5 area. After hour, it went all the way to 3.6, which is almost 46% gain. If you want this kind of alert, including GGPI, right? So if you want this kind of alert, support, resistance pre-market during market hour, then I invite you to join my Discord community. Just become my Patreon member and get access to my Discord so that you will get different tickers for day trading, swing trading, even for option with support, resistance. And also we have so many members, they bring good plays. Like this GGPI was introduced by one of my Discord, like it was like $10, and shout out to him. He talked about it and now we see it is ripping. So anyway, give a try. You get alert from me, you get alert from my members. So all in all, we are here to make money. So anyway, so GGPI, this is a SPAC, and we all know the SPAC normally they start around $10, and you can see it was moving around 10, and then the journey started. So Thursday from 10 it went all the way to 11, it bounced at 11, then it ended the day around 12.78, and even after hour it went all the way to 14.4 area, looking very nice. Look at the volume end of the day, very exciting. And why it went up, there are so many things I want to cover. So first of all, if you want to see the daily volume, so just want to show you the daily volume. Yeah, so the daily volume for GGPI is around 7.1 million, and last Friday, which was yesterday, the volume was 42.5 million, 6 times more volume. And it makes sense. When it gets 6 times more volume, then it's supposed to go higher, right? Also, if you look at the chart, whenever there is a volume, there is a pop in the price, right? You see the yellow bars here, then you see a pop in the price, yellow bar, pop in the price. But see, for last few days, continuous volume, this thing is going higher and higher. So more volume, more price action, easy thing, right? Now, why it went up? So let me show you something. So a Seeking Alpha, they came up with the article saying that it was around like 12:40 p.m. They came up with a price target of $35, and after that all the volume came and people started buying. Some people are saying they will hold it till 2025 because they think this will go big. So that was the news for going up that high. Also, there was another news 22 hours ago. It was in Investor Place that goes is the rare EV SPAC. That's not all talk, and I will cover this particular thing end of the video. But I just want to talk about a few other things before I jump to that particular report. So if you do not know anything, so basically it says GGPI is a SPAC. So they will having a merger with EV maker Polestar, right? With a strike for a 20 billion deal. So, and also these are the things they came up with: warrant, normal share, and unit. So if you do not know about anything, this car is in Europe, right? And it has two models, so model 1 and model 2, looking very nice. This is a cheap and electric car version, especially Polestar 2. These are not so expensive. They have one which is the luxury sport car edition, very expensive, but this one looking really nice. and some people are saying this is the next Lucid. So really nice. If you want to know more about this car, you can go to their website, you can look at their website, look at the design and everything. Nice car. Okay, so some option chain activity. If you just see the next option chain activity, which will expire in 19th of November, look at the volume and open interest. So many people are betting for 12.5 strike price, and most of them might be bought end of the day. The people who bought it, they are up 566%. These people are up over 2000%. So anyway, they will be in the money. So we will see a huge up and down. If you want, you can still play with a call option, not very expensive, $55 for the strike price of 15. If I look at the short share availability borrow fee, so I'm not going to pitch that as a short squeeze candidate because lots of shares are available for shorting. So maybe when it will go higher, lots of shorts will appear. They will try to bring it down. So there should be a pullback. If you're chasing the particular price, keep that in mind. There will be a pullback. So if you're playing, always have a stop loss, or if you want, just wait for a pullback based on the price action. So I talked about the volume. Now let's go to three things. I want to talk about the price action, I want to talk about the warrant, then I will jump back to the investor price report. So first of all, we were tracing yesterday, and end of the day we did some trading even after hour. I did some trading from 13 area all the way to 14 area. So anyway, so if you look at the chart, 10 is the floor, right? So 10, then it got something around 11, then it went up, and again it came all the way to 11.6. It was the resistance, so it came down, but it never came below 11.6. So 11.6 became the next support. After that it went up, came down, again found a support around $12 area. Then again it went up from 12, then it found another support around 12.8. then it is just pushing and pushing. Now this will be all-time high. If you are waiting for a pullback, I think one thing could be just wait for around 12 or 13 area if it comes down, but maybe based on the hype and volume, pre-market this thing can run. I'm not gonna set any price target. Some people are saying $15, $20. I don't want to hype, but keep that in mind. There will be a pullback. If you look at the daily chart here, just want to show, if you believe RSI and MACD, look at the RSI, it is 76. Whenever the RSI went up around 80, 82, there was a pullback. Look at the MACD, the line is going just higher, so it needs a pullback, right? That's the only thing I want to show you. So looking at the here, right, look at the volume. So last time when there was a volume from here, from $10, it went all the way to 10.5. Same amount of volume came, but this time it went higher. So we have to track the volume. As long as it is having more volume, this thing will run a lot. So if you want to get in, I would say, let's go back to a 5-minute chart. I would say wait for a dip. You can always chase. If you are chasing, then definitely use a stop loss, but sometimes stop losses are not triggered. So for safe entry, I would say wait for something around 12 for sure. Then I have 12.8 area, if not 12.8 area. Also look for 13.5, this area. So again, we have to see how pre-market is behaving. If you're part of the Discord community, I will definitely cover pre-market and also during market hour. If you're planning to trade this particular one, then we will update the chart with support, resistance, and more things. Also, as for all stock, there is also one more thing, which is warrant, because each warrant mostly they start around $1. So you can see that warrant is also moving. It was $1, it was around $2, now it is around 5.2. Some people like to buy warrant because they are cheaper. So instead of $15 or $15, you can buy one warrant for $5. You can get the same similar type of run up. Even for warrant, I think there is some kind of support around 4, and there is some kind of support around 3. If you're playing with warrant, wait for a pullback to $4 and $3. If you do not know what is warrant, you can just leave it in the comment section so I can describe what is warrant. So you can play with stock, you can play with warrant, you can also play with call option. And also let me know in the comment section if you made money with this particular stock, because this thing is looking really crazy. I might make another video on ticker symbol VUZI, and another one is SEAH, because I also think they might run up coming week, because all the SPAC they are running really nice. If you want to get more videos, please make sure you are subscribed. And also when I make a video every day or every few days, I just talk about one ticker. But if you're part of my Discord family, each day I talk about 10-15 stock support resistance. So we have more a window for making money instead of just following one stock. So anyway, give it a try. Just $9 per month. For VIP it is $25 per month, but you will get access to direct message, and also you can talk about any other stocks. So it is always a bargain. So anyway, give it a try. If you don't like it, you can always cancel, but at least subscribe my channel. At the same time, hit the like button so that more people can watch this particular video and they get excited about GGPI. I'm very excited looking at the price action. Really very excited. Like, look at the price action. Shh. So anyway, thanks for watching this particular video. Take care and let's make some money together. Peace.